Hi. I'm going to talk about how that experiment happened. First, I want to explain mine was a little watery, but that's because I believe I used only 3% hydrogen peroxide. But that's all that I could find in the lab. So I'm just going to talk about why that reaction occurred. Okay. Sorry, my screen's weird. Okay. So first, I just want to talk about, dishwashing soap traps the tiny bubbles that are created by the chemical reaction that is occurring, and that's what creates foam. So the hydrogen peroxide molecule is made up of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So the formula for it looks like 2H2O2. And when the conditions are met, hydrogen peroxide will undergo a chemical reaction to break down into two parts. So it'll break down into oxygen and water. So this is a decomposition reaction, and this is known as 2H2O2 yields 2H2O plus O2. So this particular reaction is exothermic, which means that it gives off heat. So if you did feel the flask after the reaction, it was warm. So yeast is an enzyme called catalase. So it's called catalase because in this specific reaction, it works as a catalyst. And a catalyst speeds up chemical reactions without changing its products. So yeast essentially, when added to the hydrogen peroxide, speeds up the reaction by breaking it into water and oxygen quickly. And that's why the reaction occurs so fast. So the oxygen is trapped by the dishwashing detergent, and that's what makes like the tiny bubbles and everything. So that is it, and thank you.